Listen close, because this is how a weekend siding project turns into a rotting disaster. You're putting up new lap siding, and for the outside corner, you slap up a standard 1x4 trim board. Here's the cold, hard math. A modern 1x board is actually only 3/4 of an inch thick. When you start stacking your lap siding, every piece overlaps and angles outward. By the time you nail it in, the bottom edge of that siding is projecting out an inch or more. Congratulations! Your siding is now sticking out further than your corner trim. It's what we call being proud of the trim, but believe me, there is absolutely nothing to be proud of here. You've just built a tiny diving board for the rain. Water runs down the face of the siding, hits that exposed end grain, and gets sucked straight into the wood like a giant sponge. It funnels right behind the corner. First the caulk fails, then comes the rot, and suddenly your structural wall framing is completely dissolved. The golden rule of exterior carpentry is simple. The vertical corner board must always be thicker than your siding. To do it right, leave the 1x material at the hardware store. You need 5/4 trim stock. 5/4 gives you over an inch of thickness. This creates a nice, deep pocket so your siding dies cleanly into the side of the trim, safely hidden behind the front face. The rain just washes right over the joint. If you are absolutely forced to use thin trim, you have to fur out the corner first. Nail some 1/2-inch plywood strips to the framing to bump the whole trim assembly outward. Never let your siding stick out past the corner. Keep it tucked in, keep the water out, and save yourself from an absolute catastrophe next spring.
And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.